Hi, my name is Tina and I'm from Hantsport, Nova Scotia, and I'm doing a review of the Thinkware F200 dash cam bundle. This dash cam bundle consists of a front and rear facing camera, mounts, micro SD card adapter, cables, and includes a cigarette lighter power adapter. There is an option to hardwire the system for continuous power, including when your car is off and parked. We chose to use the included power adapter, and installation took about 20 minutes to route the wires through the dash and headliner. There is ample wire to place the rear-facing camera in the back window of any car. We chose to install it up front so occupants of the car could be observed, an option we appreciate to ensure our teens are using safe driving practices when borrowing the car. The unit itself is attractive, simple, and unobtrusive. Both cameras have excellent picture quality. The Thinkware app is free and easy to use, and if you wish to view the video being captured on either camera, it is easy to do so within the app. Videos are recorded and stored on the included micro SD card and can be downloaded and viewed via the app or using the included SD card adapter onto your computer. We have occasionally had a little trouble maintaining a Wi-Fi connection from the unit to the app, but this only impacts viewing a live stream and in no way compromises what is being recorded. All in all, we would definitely recommend the Thinkware F200 dash cam bundle to family and friends, and will probably purchase one for our other vehicle.